There's a big shift happening in the world of humanoid robots, and Figure is right at the center of it. The company has moved quickly from building early prototypes to actually mass-producing its Figure 03 robots, and the speed of that transition is pretty impressive. At its BotQ manufacturing facility in California, production has ramped up dramatically. In just under 4 months, they went from making 1 robot a day to 1 robot every hour. That's a 24 times increase in output, powered by custom-built software and more than 150 connected workstations working together across the factory floor. So far, they've already delivered over 350 robots. As production scales up, quality is improving too. Figure has tightened its supplier standards and added dozens of inspection points throughout the process. This means fewer defects and better consistency. In fact, more than 80% of robots are now passing final checks on the first try, and battery production has reached an impressive 99.3% success rate. Each robot also goes through over 80 different tests, including stress tests like squatting and jogging, to make sure everything works reliably before it's shipped out. This growing fleet of robots is doing more than just rolling off assembly lines. It's also generating massive amounts of data, which feeds into Figure's AI system called Helix. That data is crucial for improving how these robots think, move, and interact with the real world. The company is also building out systems to manage and update robots remotely, so they can keep improving even after they've been deployed. Another major breakthrough comes from an upgrade to the Helix AI itself. Previously, the robots relied mainly on internal sensors to understand their own movements. Now, they've added vision into the mix using stereo cameras. This allows the robots to actually see their surroundings and build a 3D understanding of the environment in real time. That combination of sensing and vision makes a big difference. The robots can now handle more complex environments like stairs or uneven terrain with much more stability and confidence. What's even more interesting is how the system is trained. It learns in simulated environments with lots of variation, and those skills transfer directly into the real world without needing extra adjustments. That's something engineers have struggled with for a long time. All of this points to a bigger picture. Figure isn't just building robots, it's building an entire ecosystem around them, from manufacturing and software to AI and real-world deployment. With production scaling up and capabilities improving, the company is moving quickly toward making humanoid robots a practical part of everyday life, whether that's in research labs, businesses, or even homes.